It's a mini soldering iron. It heats up to melt the wax. There are also several colors of wax in the kit, so you can color match them to your floor. You can mix them to get the shade you want. There is a special grout in the kit to leveling the floor surface by scraping off the excess wax. Let's try to fix the small damage first, and then we'll tackle the big ones. It's definitely a stepladder, builders. To switch on the soldering iron, we need 3-finger batteries. We load it and switch it on. After 10-15 seconds, it can be used. By the way, you have to press the button, then it warms it up. Now we need to choose the color. We choose the main color, the most suitable one, and then mix the rest. There is still some soft grout inside to polish the floor. Take a caneling knife and lightly scrape the damaged area. That's it. It's perfect. We succeed.